I was challenged by a viewer to follow a recipe. So I can read, and I've got me a first grade copy of it. So I'm going to bake a chicken today. It's Sunday anyways, right? And I'm going to do my best. Let's get at it. So I need some celery. I'd say we should probably do these in a couple inch pieces. We've got an onion. We do him in slices. Got some carrots of the baby variety, so we don't have to chop or wash or anything. And our little leftover baby potatoes. And that's supposed to be seasoned with some kind of rosemary garlic seasoning that I don't have, so I made my own. And we got black pepper and seasoned salt. It didn't say to put oil or anything on them or water. I would. Maybe the moisture off them will help it stick to it. This recipe also called for a roaster. I looked for mine. I don't know where it's at. Gonna need a few peppers. Those are supposed to be in slices too. Forgot to put my rag underneath my cutting board. These will be separate. Those right there. We need our washed and dried chicken. I don't know what's up with these things. I mean, awful small. So we're supposed to season our chicken lightly with seasoning salt. We're supposed to season him with garlic and rosemary on the outside. We're supposed to season the inside of him with garlic and rosemary. Stuff him with our peppers. And he's supposed to have some onion slices. We've got him full. Like I said, I don't have a roaster. So I'm going to use a pan and an oven bag. And once my skin gets to where I want it, I will put a foil tin on it. Got an oven bag with a little bit of flour with a chicken on stick. And we will go in with our vegetables ready. I mean, I gotta admit, it does smell pretty good. I had a little zip tie thing I guess I've lost. I don't even know where that went. Not it is. And we're going to establish a little hole. Scissors. He's going in the oven at 375. Small chicken like that, we'll just have to keep an eye on. Followed by the recipe. The lady also said it might be good with some cornbread, so we're going to stir up some of that right quick. Got our grease melting. Got our cornbread ready. Greased up high back chicken fryer. We're going to bake that underneath our chicken. I think some thin, crunchy cornbread would be pretty good with that. Yes, you can bake bread without grease. I just don't think it tastes good. So we're going to throw that in too. We'll just keep an eye on both of them, multitask. Our bird is tender, juicy, smells delicious. I think I'm going to get me a few of these peppers and try them out too. So Brandy, that bird's for you, gal. Well, I'm digging the rosemary and garlic. I'm sure mine probably tastes a little bit different than what she recommended, but that chicken's juicy, delicious. Try the vegetables. I'm gonna call it a home run, girl. We all bake chickens different ways, but that way, boy, it's good. But I'll try to work that in about once a week or so if you guys got something simple and we got ingredients for around here. You guys have a good Sunday.